Introducing Clear Armor, ultimate protection for your automobile's front windshield. Say goodbye to cracks, chips, and other damages while you enjoy ultra clarity.
With Clear Armor, you receive unparalleled protection without compromising the optical clarity of seeing out of the front of your windshield. Experience peace of mind with no bubbling, cracking, yellowing, or peeling. Our product ensures long-term performance, reliability, and clarity. Enhanced visibility and visual clarity during adverse weather conditions is possible. Clear Armor facilitates the runoff of rain, snow with its hydrophobic properties, providing clear views on the road ahead.
Clear Armor not only protects the front of your windshield, but it also protects the interior from sun damage, reduces fading, keeping your aesthetic looking fantastic.
And choose Clear Armor for superior windshield protection and enjoy a safer, clearer driving experience.